Eric Schatzker, Bloomberg Television. Madam Chair, thank you. Notwithstanding what the dots tell us about rate expectations, has there been any discussion among members of the committee about the potential need for further stimulus? And even if there hasn't been such a discussion yet, could you share with us what you have learned from the reevaluation of negative interest rates, whether you consider negative interest rates effective, how effective relative to quantitative easing, and whether the committee would hypothetically use them instead of or in conjunction with quantitative easing in the event that the economy should warrant further stimulus?
Okay, so what I would like to make clear is that this is not actively a subject that we are considering or discussing. The committee continues to feel that we are on a course where the economy is improving and inflation is moving back up. And as I indicated, if events continue to unfold in that way, we're likely to gradually raise rates over time. Again, that's not fixed in stone. We'll watch how the economy behaves. We're prepared to respond if things transpire differently, but we are not spending time actively debating and considering things we could do for additional accommodation, and certainly not actively considering negative rates. We are looking at the experience in other countries, and I guess I would judge they seem to have mixed effects, some positive and some negative things. But look, if we found ourselves in the unlikely situation where we needed to add accommodation, we have a range of tools. And we know from the things we did in the past that we have a number of options with respect to the maturity, for example, of our portfolio with respect to asset purchases or forward guidance that remain available to us, that are tools we could turn to in the unlikely event that we need to add accommodation. So negative rates is not something that we're actively considering.